by joining the midpoint of the adjacent sides of a rectangle of sides 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter is. Means this is the rectangle ABCD. These are the sides 8, 6, 8, 6, and these are the midpoints PQRS. We join this PQRS and we have to show that this PQRS figure is what and what is the area of this. Very simple. Construct AC. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, what happens? ABC. P and Q are the midpoints of these sides. So PQ will be equal to half AC and PQ will be parallel to AC by midpoint theorem of a triangle. Means the line joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and half of the length of the third side. Similarly in triangle BDC, same logic. SR will be parallel to AC and SR will be half of AC. So by this logic, what happens? PQ becomes equal to SR. See this, and PQ becomes parallel to SR. So what is this now? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Now similarly by constructing this BD, we can prove the same. PS parallel to BD and parallel to RQ, and PS and RQ are same. See this. I have just written it over here. So now what happens is this BD and this AC, they are equal. Why? Because diagonals of a rectangle. Now once we know that these diagonals are equal, then automatically these sides become equal. RS equals to PQ equals to PS equals to QR. So all the sides of this quadrilateral become equal. Now what is this figure then? When all the sides are equal, that figure is known as rhombus. Now therefore PQRS becomes rhombus. Now as PQRS is a rhombus, the area of a rhombus is what? Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, half d1 d2. Now what is d2? This side is same as this side, 6. So 6 into this side 8. So half into 6 into 8. That becomes 24. So 24 is the answer. I would suggest you pause this video, watch this again, because it's somewhat difficult, but I have just shown you the main points and how to solve this in the exam. You need to watch this 2 or 3 times before means